And what's good, y'all? It's your boy Ray. We're back. Another day, another blessing. But today, we got some coilovers. We're going to be getting them installed. Honestly, I don't feel like doing them myself. Finally, we're going to be tucked, y'all. This thing is going to be lowered. We'll see, y'all. But finally, I ain't going to be looking like a monster truck. Fender should be sitting right on top of the tire. I'm going to start with the car and get going because the shop is like 50 minutes away. Alright, y'all, we back. Very next day. Coilovers around now. Sheesh. Looking real clean. A lot lower than before, y'all. Sitting really nice. We actually got a really good drop. Honestly, pretty much exactly what I was looking for. So with the rears, I don't know if I mentioned before, y'all, because it is the next day, but they're Raceland coilovers. I didn't want some crazy ones. I just wanted something just some decent coilovers, you know what I mean? So I went with Raceland just to see how I like them. And honestly, so far, even though it's only been a day, I really like them. They ride good. Pretty similar to OEM, I'm not gonna lie, like, believe it or not, even like over bumps and stuff like that, the ride quality is actually pretty good. So anyways, y'all, in the rear, they're actually maxed out right now, and I think it's sitting like pretty good. Maybe a good like inch gap right now. The rears dropped just a little bit. The coilovers, like I said, in the back, they're maxed out, but still sitting pretty good. The fronts is where there's a huge difference. As you can see right now, y'all, like it's maybe like a good ½ inch, if that. It's like pretty much sitting right on top of the tire. If you can see, like I mentioned before, when I was in the garage, there was a good maybe like 2½ inch gap. So definitely got that closed up. Sitting a lot better now. Sheesh. Honestly, the next thing I want to do, I don't think I mentioned it before in the last video, but I do want to get this wrap off for a couple different reasons. Once I get this wrap off, the entire car will be that black. It's not the jet black, it's actually the black sapphire metallic. Definitely gonna rock the black paint for a while. I do miss it a lot. That's the original color the car was in the first place. For the new viewers that haven't seen it like that, here's a picture right here in the corner. So it actually looked pretty good with the black, yo, I'm not gonna lie. Not as attention grabbing as the yellow, but definitely more like a menacing, aggressive look, which I do like. And with the new Apexes, obviously black as well, that black and black look would just, you know what I mean, that murdered out, you can't go wrong with it. So we'll rock that for a while, yo. But in a couple months, in September, we're gonna be going out to Cali for Beamer Invasion in Los Angeles. So pretty much just trying to get this car completely ready for that, and I don't have to do everything last minute like I did before. For my OG viewers, if anybody's seen those videos, I was like rushing the hell out of the whole process, just trying to get the car ready for the show. This time around, I want to be you know what I mean, I want to be prepared and show up just ready to go. Just a quick little update video, y'all, just to show how it's sitting right now. Actually very, very clean. I'm happy with it, don't get me wrong. This car has came a long way, but if anything, I'm excited to go back to the black because it's like I finally fulfilled like my initial vision when I first got the car. It's to just have it slammed, you know what I mean? Carbon hood, carbon trunk, wheels, all that stuff. It's gonna, pretty much, I'm gonna wrap up like my initial vision when I first got the car. Definitely do want to do a couple of little touches, y'all, once I get the wrap off. I want to experiment and come up with some little ideas for like paint matching the carbon, not completely, just partially, and leaving some things like exposed carbon. I think that would look really nice with the trunk and the hood as well. Like maybe something down this body line, make the paint match it and make it like fade into carbon, some stuff like that. I just want to do something like that since it's going to be black now. I want to throw little subtle touches at it, just keep it nice and simple, but when you get up and close, that's when, you know what I mean, everything just hits. So it's going to be like a different approach for this build, and I'm actually pretty hyped for it, y'all. This will be the end of today's video. As always, I hope y'all have a blessed day. It's your boy Roy, and I'm out.